Hey guys, so I asked the AI to generate a model for me. So I went to this Leonardo.ai and I went to this image generation and I added a prompt called create red bike for BMW Roadster 3.5 with visor. And then I just added a style illustration, and in that I turned off the alchemy, and then I generated an image. um, if you see, I've also added an image here and I have reduced the strength to 0.10, and then I went ahead to generate the image. Let's wait for it. Let's see what we get. So here are the 4 images I've generated. Look superb, man. I know if you see there are a little bit of glitches. If you see the BMW logo, it's not quite accurate and few things here and there, but it really did a great job generating an image. So after getting inspired from this AI images, we went to this Motodesk store. It is in HSR. मैंने बहुत ढूंढा ये वाइजर, बट मुझे यहाँ पे मोटोडेस्क में जाके मिला, तो मैंने यहाँ पे लगवा लिया है. आप देख सकते हैं मोटोडेस्क में. Check it out. How does it look? I like it. So I added some images for you. Let me know how does it look. Like, share guys if you like it. Have a good one. Bye bye.